Thanks for coming back and checking out our video, everybody. I'm Marty with Wheels with Marty, and I got another product that's new to me that EV-Base sent me for the Tesla Model 3. It's a carbon fiber rear lip spoiler for the trunk back there. I have a gloss one on now. They sent me a carbon fiber one, so let's check this out. So they sent this to me. It says it fits Model 3 and Y. Perfect fit, easy to install, 100% real carbon fiber. Most of that is probably true because I have one on the car already that's gloss. So we're gonna check this out and open it up and see what we think about this. Now, I might be getting a Model Y in the future. So if that's the case, I will probably put this on there. Man, they got this package in here good. Very good, actually. Empty box. So they give you the tape. So if you've seen my other video where I installed that lip, they actually give you the bag with like the instructions and some like masking tape to like line off, like make a little spot on the trunk where you're gonna put it at, as well as the double-sided tape that holds it on. So they actually give you all that. Same as before, packaging is a lot better on this one than it was on the other one. They've improved that, not that they needed to, but they did improve that. Oh, check this out. This is the carbon fiber, and it is actually real carbon fiber, if you can look at that. So you can see they got the tape already in here. This wasn't like this on the gloss one that I have. The gloss one I have, there was nothing in here. I had to put it all in here myself. They've actually already got this on here. So the tape that they send is just extra, I guess. But look at that, carbon fiber. It is actually real carbon fiber, the whole thing. And it even has like this nice little like performance style dip in there. Right there, if you can see that. See right there, kind of dips down. Looking straight down the edge of it right here. So yeah, very good quality. It's real carbon fiber actually. It doesn't look like it's actually wrapped. Looking at this, you can actually see in there, like right there, in between that tape. It's actually carbon fiber. It's not just wrapped plastic. It's actual carbon fiber. This thing doesn't weigh anything. No weight to this at all. So it says it fits the Model 3 and Model Y. Now, I have the redesigned, the Highland Model Y. I mean, Model 3, so I'm assuming that means it only fits the Jupiter, the redesigned Model Y. So, yes, I will not be putting this on mine, but you can even see it's wider than the one I have. See how wide that is? So we're going to actually, I'll go out there and I'll show you this. I'm going to show you this side by side once I open up the garage with this next to the other one. So you can see how much wider that actually is. But look at that. It's going to look so good. So when we get the Model Y in, we're going to put this installed on the Model Y. Yes, so let's check this out here next to the other one. All right, so I'm over here looking at this, and I didn't want to open the door because neighbors always are staring. But anyway, this goes, now you don't want to put it, when you install it, it's going to be the same as the other one. You don't want to put the fat side, yeah, the fat side on the top. So the wider side, the skinnier side. You can tell that there's a difference when you look down it like this. There's an actual difference. And this is going to go, and you'll see the lips too. So the lip, the curvature of this little dip right here, you want to put that on the top. And it'll go just right over the top like that. And this looks like it is going to be an identical mask to the other one that's on here now. I got it lined up already. Yeah, It's a little thinner, so it's gonna be a little different look to it. So like this section right here on the very end where the dip is at, on the carbon fiber is skinnier than the gloss one, but then it's fatter back here. So it's gonna give it more of like that aggressive, more of an aggressive look than it already has with this gloss one on there. Now I'm not gonna take that gloss one off just cause I don't know, I like to have everything matchy. And I have, my entire lip kit is gloss, not carbon fiber, so it won't be matchy. And that'll be looking weird to me. So once the Model Y comes in, I will do an install on this. But this thing, as far as the quality goes, like you can't even bend this. Like this thing is amazing. I mean, you can just look at the details on that. It's just real carbon fiber. And just a little few differences. It's a little bit more narrow on the tip right here than it is on that one. And the center is a little bit fatter than it is on that one. So yeah, it gives it more of like that, I don't want to say well tail, but more of like that drag, like spoiler, like the long lip for aerodynamics, more downforce. It looks like it would provide more downforce. That's the word I've been looking for this whole time. Versus more just a styling look like this one. The one that's on there now, that just looks more of like a styling look on there. So that one just has like a style to it versus this one. This is going to have style, but also looks like it may have better, more downforce and better performance for you. But yeah, we'll get this installed on a Model Y once we get it in, and you'll be able to do the install video. But for this video today, this is just going to be a quality check review video on this. It does seem like it's going to mount up exactly like this one. I like how they've already pre-installed the tape on this for you, so that was not like that on this one. I had to do this all myself. I like that. And I don't think there's instructions on this one, but there is on this. So the quality has definitely been stepped up a lot on this carbon fiber spoiler. So again, we'll put this on the Model Y when it comes in, and leave this one on the Model 3. And that's it for today's video, guys. I'm going to put a link for this in the description below, as well as the install link for that one, because the install is the exact same. So there's no reason to do an install video on this one when there's one for that. Also, my coupon code, Wheels with Marty, will be down below. Make sure you use that coupon code to get you a big discount. I believe it's 20% off right now. So use my coupon code to get the discount on anything that you buy in your cart from EV Base. So make sure you guys do that. And make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Like all the videos, check them all out. Make sure you use the coupon code Wheels with Marty. It'll be linked down below. And check out all my socials. Until next time, guys, be safe out there. See y'all. Bye.